An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meters in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meters in 40 seconds. Here we have the diagram of a circular track of diameter 200 meters. Since the diameter is 200 meters, the radius will be 100 meters. Now, an athlete completes one round in 40 seconds. So, what would be the distance that the athlete covers in one round? The distance of one round will be equal to the circumference of the circular track. Therefore, the distance covered by the athlete in one round or the distance covered by the athlete in 40 seconds will be equal to the circumference of the circular track. Thus, the distance covered in 40 seconds will be equal to 2 pi r, because 2 into pi into radius gives us the circumference of a circle. Therefore, 2 multiplied by pi into radius equals to 100 meters, equals to 200 pi. Thus, the distance covered in 40 seconds is 200 pi. Distance covered in 40 seconds is 200 pi meters. Therefore, the distance covered in 1 second will be 200 pi upon 40. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. Thus, the distance covered in 1 second is 5 pi. Distance covered in 1 second is 5 pi meters. We are asked to find the distance covered in 2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds equals to 140 seconds. The distance covered in 140 seconds will be 5 pi multiplied by 140 seconds. 5 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 140. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14 and the 0. 5 multiplied by 22 equals to 110. 110 multiplied by 20 equals to 2200. Distance covered in 140 seconds is 2200 meters. Next, we are asked to find the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. For that, we must know the exact position of the athlete at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. Athlete completes one round in 40 seconds. So, how many rounds will the athlete complete in 140 seconds? 140 divided by 40, we get 3.5. This means the athlete completes 3.5 rounds in 140 seconds. Again, let's have a look at the diagram of the circular track. If athlete starts from this point, then after completing 3.5 rounds, 1, 2, 3.5, the athlete will reach at this point. So, the shortest distance between the starting point and the end point will be equal to the diameter of the circular track, that is 200 meters. Thus, displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds will be equal to 200 meters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.